In 7 Bridges, in January, only one house sold. 16202 Cabernet Drive. It was an Anabelle model, 4,783 square feet. It sold for $1,875,000. That comes out to $392 per square foot. This house sold in 185 days, and this house was a complete bargain, and this is why. Number one, it sat in the cul-de-sac, and number two, it had a pool. Those two things are big pluses. Although it didn't have top-of-the-line appliances, the kitchen cabinets were absolutely beautiful. They were extended to have extra pantry space. A negative was the secondary bedrooms had carpeting, and people around here in Florida don't really love that, and that's not really too popular in Florida. But at $392 per square foot, what this house did have caused for this house to actually be a bargain. That's all for 7 Bridges for January. If you find value in these market reports that I do for Lotus, Boca Bridges, 7 Bridges, and The Bridges, please feel free to like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Bobby's Market Report. Thank you very much.